There's the water buffalo. Yeah, they are wedged to be fair. See if they like the bike. Yeah, he like it. I know, he shook his head, he didn't like it. Yeah, he's coming for me now, boy. I better dip. Oh yeah, a little fire. I don't think I'll be up on this road too long. I'll probably only be up in 20 minutes, innit? And we'll be on the road properly. Sheep there, fucking hell. Thank you, ran the other way. Oh, I'm going to pull up here at one spot where it was high there. What a view. Yeah, I could easily ride off the edge though. I need to pay attention. Morning sheep. A couple of sheep, one either side up here. They just jam, innit? Like, they're not even bothered by my bike. Dogs go mental when they hear my bike. Them sheep are just like, whatever, man. What a vibe though, bruv. Cut the brothers in the valleys. Yeah, car coming, I'll get in front. £100, I'll go straight off. I'm gonna f*** around with the drone for half hour. Yeah, that's what we want though, innit? We're going the opposite way now, new road. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. So you went somewhere, eh? Let's think animals can just panic and run the wrong way, can't they? Oh, big sheep in the road. This geezer's standing on business. He's standing on business, this one. There we go. Cheers, mate. Conunut Farm, it's been a pleasure. Conunut, I can't even say that word. Whiskey's cold. You alive? There you are.
Rain outside, neon glow, lost my way, Barstool creaks,
Give him a wave and he ignored me.
still shake,
No, he didn't see me. He didn't see me.
jukebox hums,
Oh, this feels like that other road.
lonely night.
Giving me vibes. Like cowboy. Found a cowboy.
And the blues,
Sheepies. It's the little lambs behind the fucking bushes you can't always see. There's something around the corner. Chill, chill, chill. Good morning, sir. No. Ooh. Sheep must have like calves of steel. They're all the way down there. They climb up and down this. Couple there.
shadows move. Hear your voice. Whiskey burns like a nail. Every sip. Last call rings.
Hey, even this is a nice road.
Still alone.
It's all the hills, mate. You don't know what's like the other end, do you?
Boy, go home, but I can't leave. One more sip, one last song, but I know I'll stay too
They might like it. They
long.
either hate it or love it.
I got a bottle of
So quiet. It's fucking Friday, man. What's the time? 11 o'clock. Basically midday.
drowning sorrow.
Nothing. I was just thinking like, oh, if I had a big YouTube channel, I could just move it because it's cheap. I could just ride around. Then I thought I'd be depressed. I would be depressed. Industrial club, eh? What's an industrial club?
Drowning
It's like a meathead gym site there. That's where you get your roids, I reckon.
nothing to lose.
This is the start of the Top Gear Road. Was it A4069 or something, innit? There's meant to be a camera here. Yeah, it's chopped down. It's there. Ha-ha! Yeah, baby. What a road this is though, bruv. Look at these views. That's tighter than I thought it was. Another camera down. Big up the fucking hoodlums. They took the cameras off themselves. I'm still scared to pin it for some reason, even though I can see the cameras are fucking down. Oh yeah, it might be. No, that's just a fucking... I think it is, you know. They've got temporary ones. Is that the first of them things we've seen? Yeah. I'm just slowing right down because I don't know if we passed another one already. There's not a camera on there though, is there? Look. I know it's the one that's been cut down, isn't it? Look.
Yo, GSC LAPD, man. Yeah, and? Oh, man, you are one bad motherfucker, man.
Look at that, bruv. What a view. Yeah, mate. I tell you, we'll do a chill one now. We'll go up and down a little bit, innit, on this one. I'm just going to stick to like 45 then. Oh, I didn't even see that sheep. He blended in. He ain't fucking moving for love nor money. He was eating out of the puddle. He's like, you're eating my dinner. What a road. See them black marks in the road? Someone blatantly went off the road there. Well, this bit we're doing now is the bit that Top Gear use. People call it Top Gear track. Top Gear road, sorry, yeah. This is actually the bit. Look at the views, man. So paranoid of campers since f***ing old Bill are using them now. It could be, man. You just wouldn't know, would you? I'm not sure if this is the car park. I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. I'm pulling into here, bruv. Quite a bit of road now. I think it continues on. Could have probably turned around there. You do it in that wider bit there, Jake. Yeah, I was recording these guys, fuck it. I don't know if just quickly go and do a fast one now on my ones. I might do that quickly. No, it's coming home, it's running out of battery. I don't think it's going to make it. Where the fuck is it? You know, I'm going manual, this thing ain't making it. I can't fucking see it, where the fuck is it? At this rate, it's not going to make it back to me. I won't go back. I don't need to go quicker. I'll probably come off and ruin the trip. But thing is, Jay, yeah, you tell me I can go as quick as I want down that without getting in trouble. I'll go quick down that. I'm telling you. Is this where he said, yeah? Yeah. So where we going? Sorry, show me land. What, over here? Oh, what? And then that road up through there. Oh, right, cool. Oh, maybe that was the car park I meant to stop at. Yeah, it was. Do you know, I've just realised as well, we're going down it. Most people come the other way, they come up it. Look at this, this is the fucking road here, look! These cars been drifting around this corner. Oh, close to the wall there.